In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to FreshBooks accounting. First, open FreshBooks and sign into your account. If you're brand new, make sure your account is already created so you land on the main dashboard. This page is your home base, where you'll later see an overview of income, expenses, and recent activity. So it's worth taking a quick look to get familiar with the layout. From there, head to the accounting area. This is where your books live. Think of it as the command center for tracking money in and out. You'll use this space to keep your records organized and ready for reporting or taxes. Next, connect your bank. Choose Add Bank Account to link your business bank or credit card. FreshBooks uses secure connections to pull in transactions automatically, which saves you hours of manual entry and reduces errors. When prompted, select your financial institution and follow the on-screen connection steps. If you use multiple accounts for different parts of your business, you can connect each one to keep everything cleanly separated. If your bank isn't supported, or if you'd rather not connect automatically, choose Create an Account to add an account manually. Give it a clear name like Operating Checking or Business Credit Card so it's easy to recognize later. Manual accounts are great for cash on hand, petty cash, or specialty accounts that don't sync. With your account set, move over to Team Members to add the people who help you manage the books like your bookkeeper, accountant, or staff. Invite only those who need access, and choose permissions carefully so each person sees just what's relevant to their role. This keeps your data secure and your workflow efficient. Now, go into Settings. This is where you'll tailor FreshBooks to match the way your business operates. You'll find options that affect how your numbers behave across the app. Open the area for financial preferences to set details like your fiscal year, default currency, tax settings, and other bookkeeping choices. Aligning these with how you actually run your business ensures reports are accurate and comparable month to month. Finally, review the section for basic business information. Update your company name, address, contact details, and branding elements as needed. This information appears on invoices, estimates, and reports, so keeping it correct gives your clients a polished, professional experience. That's it. You've moved into FreshBooks, connected or created your accounts, set up your team, and tuned your financial and business settings so everything works the way you do.